Hey everyone, it's Sandra and welcome to today's video. It's a video that I'm super excited to make. It's something that I've been meaning to do for the last year. It's a 10 by 10 wardrobe challenge. So it's basically making 10 different outfits using just 10 items of clothing that you wear over 10 different days. It's such a great way to make the most out of your wardrobe. I absolutely love the concept. So I just did 2 pairs of shoes, 2 jackets, 3 tops, 2 bottoms, and a dress as part of my 10 items of clothing. I will first go through the pieces that I selected for my 10, and then I will show you the 10 outfits. Both the shoes that I chose are quite casual, they're flat. So the first thing is this pair of sneakers. These are by the brand Superga. I don't know if you can get this exact style anymore, but the brand makes a ton of different sneakers in a ton of different colors. And then the other shoes I chose are my Gucci Princetown slides. I wear a lot of black, navy, cream, denim, white. And this is the perfect pop of color to any of that. I've had them for 3 years now. These are like one of my most worn shoes in my wardrobe. I have 1 pair of jeans. These are the Citizens of Humanity jeans that I've mentioned in a couple of my previous videos. The Charlotte High Rise Straight. And then the other pair of pants that I chose are these black linen culottes. I bought them in Tulum. They're from a store called Laguna Collective. I had a pair of Zara culottes that I wore to death. I actually like these a little bit better than the ones I had from Zara because they're made of linen, so they're a bit more breathable. I'm going to try and find some similar ones to link below. I love the fact that they're linen and they are also high rise, so they look really cute with shirts tucked in. Then the next piece is this dress. It's a black silk dress from And Other Stories. I have worn this quite a few times on Instagram and in my blog. This is a dress that And Other Stories has brought back. It's 100% silk. You can, dress it up, dress it down. It looks really cute with heels as well. Then for tops, I have one in each of my favorite colors. I have a white, a black, and a gray. 2 t-shirts, and then like a silk camisole. So I have this white silk camisole. Then I have a plain gray crew neck t-shirt. And then I also have a black one. This is from Wilfred, from Aritzia. They make such great t-shirts. They last for years and years and years. They wash really well. It says hand wash cold. That's usually how I do it. I either wash them by hand in cold water or I do the gentle cycle cold water in the washing machine. Never put them through the dryer. I just lay them out to dry. Try to use the dryer as little as possible. I found that that has helped preserve my clothing. So these are the tops, and then the 2 jackets. I have this khaki jacket. This is like the 10th year of me owning this, and it's one of my favorites. I wear it every single year, and it's quite a classic style. You can find something similar at a variety of different price points, which is awesome. And this is from Rag & Bone. And then I have a blazer, which is the most recent addition to my wardrobe. I bought this secondhand, and this is from Chloe. It's in excellent condition. I'm not sure how old it is, but I love buying secondhand. I love buying vintage things when I'm able. Those are my 10 pieces. Let's go into the outfits. those are the outfits. These 10 pieces can actually make more than 10 outfits, which is pretty exciting. Let me know what your favorites were. Let me know what your thoughts are on the 10 by 10 wardrobe challenge. Would you be willing to do something like this in your everyday life? And yeah, I hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.